Magluluto tayo ng grilled pork ribs. Nilaga ko po muna ang mga pork ribs, then put green dahan hot sauce. Naglagay din ako ng teriyaki sauce. Pagkatapos, balutin lang sa foil. At lulutuin natin ito sa oven toaster for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, tanggalin sa foil at ibalik sa oven toaster. At ito na ang ating grilled pork ribs. Yung nakuha natin kanina sa foil, ito ang gagawin nating sauce. Tikman natin. If you love this recipe, please like and share and follow me for more local recipes and health tips.
Ang sarap. Maanghang-anghang, maalat-alat na manamis-namis.
Baking essentials, condiments, nuts and seeds, healthy oils, coconut products, superfoods, herbs and spices, low-carb breads, kakanin.
Try niyo po ito. Ang sarap talaga. Very simple, very easy. At ang bilis palutuin. Oven toaster lang ang kailangan.
Stay low carb, happy, healthy, and fit everyone.